Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Lexus UX 2.0 250h Takumi E-CVT. Now, this vehicle is a petrol hybrid with an automatic transmission, and it is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have your 3-eye LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels for the two-tone finish, really complementing against the blue exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black smooth leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, and as well as this, it is also a memory seat as well. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 52,858 miles, however this is subject to change. You also have head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature which allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. Taking a look at your infotainment system, you can find everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have external media connection, so if you can't find something to listen to, you can listen to your own music. Bluetooth connection, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. Along with a 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your dual zone climate control, you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. And as well as this, a heated steering wheel, along with front heated and ventilated seats. This has been a presentation on the Lexus UX 2.0 250h Takumi E-CVT that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.